What's up, everybody? My name is Steven Sanchez. If you're here for the first time and you're just skipping around my videos, this is one of the videos that you hopefully see if you're a little bit more advanced. But if you're not, check out the previous videos, which is the tools that I use and the pressure and shapes and all that good stuff that comes with it. That'll help you understand this a little bit better. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and focus on drawing the human head. A lot of these are going to be quick tutorials on understanding this stuff, just to kind of get the gist of it. So this way you'll just start the process and have fun drawing your own characters. You could draw straight on shots, you could draw profile shots. In the beginning, profile is going to be a little bit tougher for a lot of you guys, but trust me, it's pretty much essentially the same thing. And by drawing the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, you'll be able to see the alignment is going to be a lot faster. Never worry about how good it looks in this process, because it's not supposed to look good at all. It's supposed to look like butt. There it is. So I'm drawing a male, and the male tends to have a thicker neck. And we'll talk about neck thickness and how the characters can look more superhero-esque, and the simplicity and the complexity of these things later. But right now, we're just focusing, I'm gonna use my eraser, just focusing on trying to get the quick understanding of this. Alignment of front and side, once again, super simple. Keep it just fun for yourself. You're not supposed to enjoy this process in the sense of trying to make it look like the way you want it to look like yet. Drawing these guidelines helps you just see where the placement of the eyes, the nose, and the mouth are, and you can go ahead and have a lot of fun with this. It's not meant to be perfect right now, so don't worry about that. In these videos, I'm not going to talk about how the alignment of the eyes will concur with the alignment of the ears or the nose or anything like that. That there's plenty of other videos for. You can go ahead and figure that out. For the most part, I'm giving you the essential, simple side of things, so you can go ahead and start drawing a little bit faster. All right, in the next step, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and show the buildup of the character. And depending how you want to illustrate, whether it's realistic, you can go ahead and draw more realistic. I like to do more of a cartoon-esque feel to it. You're into anime, go ahead, draw anime. It's essentially going to be the same thing. And whatever you do on one side is going to happen on the other side. If you're doing this on an iPad, then you could turn on symmetry. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a time saver. So I'm adding a little bit of pressure, and the pressure is going to go ahead and show you the darkness of it, of your drawing. Okay, so we have something this simple, and we could do it on this side as well. But here's what we want to focus on. We want to focus on placement, simplicity of lines, right? And the understanding of how all of this stuff is gonna come out in the end as you're drawing your headshots. Okay, the alignment. So far, this is pretty simple. Let's draw some eyebrows. And if you haven't taken like a little caricature course online, you can do it for free. There's tons of places online that shows you how to do caricatures. Go ahead and utilize that. That'll help out a lot as well, because they'll talk about shadows. They'll talk about structure of bones. And once you know that information, it's going to be a lot easier for you to play around with how things are going to, because everyone's head is not the same like this, you know? Sometimes the eye is a little higher than the other eye. And when you look at yourself in the mirror and you're gonna see that your ear, one ear is higher than the other, it's gonna mess with you. So it's gonna be the same thing here. That's what adds character. You know, so everything's not perfect. Okay, so we'll do that. And then seeing the placement of the eye, lightly use your pressure control. And then this way you can see how you can draw. Once again, you're not meant to draw beautiful here. It's just so you can understand the process of drawing the head. The bone right here, the bone structure. And align it. This way you can see that, hey, you're gonna draw the head the way it looks like in that view. And it's like in animation, when you have the turnarounds, you have to animate the next frame, or rather illustrate the next frame, so it coincides with the other frame, you know. And then as you animate it, it literally looks like the same character, because that's the whole point. So this is a great little exercise to have fun in understanding placement. And once again, you'll see other videos where they'll show you how to draw everything and how to space everything out, right? And the ear might have been a little bit too forward here. There we go. There we go. And just try to align everything. It's fun. It is actually fun. And when you're not stressing yourself out trying to be perfect, your brain can just completely decompress and be like, I know this doesn't look well, but I'm gonna erase it, you know, and just go in and just erase it and then rework it again. And look at reference images. I can't tell you enough to look at reference images. It does help because you're gonna commit that information to memory, you know, because some people have bigger heads here or even more flatter looking in the back. And all of that stuff is gonna come in handy when illustrating. And of course, you know, when you're drawing, you always want to get the perfect head structure. Okay. And then the eyebrows. So now it's looking more like the character that I illustrated on this side. Right? And if I was to do a turnaround, then I'll go back and fix here, fix there, fix here, fix there. You keep doing that until it's all done. And now, so the nose, because I made it more cartoonish, we're gonna go ahead and then bring the nose out here. And a little bit of shadow down here. And you work both of them. Little chin dude. See? That's it. Very simple. See that? So you can go ahead and have fun structuring this way for your characters. It doesn't have to look beautiful because you're going to add cosmetics to it afterwards. The hair, any clothing. If you do this digitally, it's better because you have a template. Or you can go online and download a template. It's not a big deal because it's going to be there. I'll probably just do one myself and have it downloadable so you guys can just download it for free and then use that as a template and then do character creations on that. Because your headshots are normally the place you're going to start for creating a character because you kind of need to know what they look like, right? And then we'll do a template for the body. So all these things will be made available on the Honestin Productions site. And with that said, hopefully this helps you out. This little bit of nugget right here can actually start pulsating your brain into thinking, hey, I can create my own characters however I want. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next episode.